Jamaica stone, the original Jamaica stone. People think it's only for men, but it's not. It's for women also. What do women get out of it? It just stimulates their clitoris for the next 4 to 6 hours. How do women use it? Well, they use it the same as men. What they do, they take a little piece of the stone, of the Jamaican stone, put it in the palm of your hand with a little bit of water. Create a little bit of a paste. Rub that on your clitoris. Let it sit for a few minutes. Wash off your clitoris. Wash off your hands. And for the next 4 to 6 hours, you will have stimulation in your clitoris for the next 4 to 6 hours. Again, original Jamaican lip stone, available through Wholesale Jamaica Stone. This is what it looks like here. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Again, Jamaica stone is also for women.